Today we'll talk about 5 signs that will make a great swing trader. Now, figuring out your trading style is tough because sometimes, and most people will go through it with trial and error. They'll try something out, it won't work for them. They'll try something else, they won't work for them again. They'll try many things until they find the thing that kind of work for them. And sometimes they never find the right thing for them anyway. So let's uncover that. Let's talk about some signs you can make a good swing trader, because you don't have to leave it up to chance. And let's dive right in. Now, I'll go through these things that work based on my experience in the past to figure out what's your best trading style and whether you will make a great swing trader. But the last sign will be actually the most important, because we'll know with metrics and numbers which style you're best at in trading. So stay until the end and we'll go through these tips. Alright, the first sign you will make a great swing trader is if you want to have some hands-off trading. You like charts, you like trading, but you don't want to be there all day looking at charts and placing trades. To you, that will be something that's not very meaningful. You want to be able to travel, spend time with your family, you want to be able to place a trade, go away, then be done with it, then let the trade play its thing, then come back to see the results and analyze and review your performance. If you like that kind of hands-off trading, day trading will be tough and swing trading will be, of course, a lot better. Sign number 2 is if you like to take your time to make decisions. Now, there's people who want to, let's say, buy something, buy a product. They're super quick, they say, okay, I'm going to buy it, they buy it, and then that's it, they have it. Some people are going to be weighing the options. They're going to see, well, there's this, there's that. Maybe I'll wait to buy it. Maybe I'll look at this one instead. I'll compare out my options first. I'll think about this and that. These people tend to make better swing traders, based on my experience. They are more patient, they are more calm, and they tend to take more time to make decisions. They're not going to be quick on the things and like buy something out really quickly. They're going to think about it for a while. They're going to make sure they have the perfect thing, the perfect option for them, and they'll take time to do that. It's the same thing when they have to make a trip. They won't just buy a ticket online. They won't just like do the trip and that's it. They'll plan things out. They'll look at different hotels, different places, evaluate everything around it. They're usually more detailed in their analysis, and they take time to make decisions from that analysis. The guys who tend to make decisions faster tend to be better day traders because they're quick to make decisions. They can really be in the market, in and out, take trades faster and get out faster. While the guys who are slower at making decisions, it's not that they're necessarily bad at making decisions. They just want to take more time to weigh the options. And these guys tend to make much better swing traders. Now, the third sign you'll make a great swing trader is if you don't mind letting your trades run. Some people are very impatient. They cannot let their trades run. And part of it comes from experience also. In the beginning of trading, you want to get results quickly. You want to take trades, see the result, be in, be out. But over time, you kind of get to find your sweet spot in trading. So if you don't mind placing a trade, letting it run, going your way, doing something else, coming back a few hours or days later to see your trade's result, then swing trading could be for you. People who don't want to do this, they want to have their trades in and out, they're afraid that the trade will move against them, they're afraid to be stopped out if they don't stay here watching the trade. These guys make much better day traders. Of course, here we're not talking about like micromanaging trading necessarily, so you could be a swing trader who's really bad at letting trades run. That's still possible. But in most cases, people with swing trade don't have any big issue with letting a trade run for a while. Of course, you can change this up for news. You can always adapt, change your trade, manage it a little bit better for these events. But if you're not able to let a trade run, you would tend to not be a very good swing trader. If you can let these trades run, you will make a much better swing trader. Okay, now sign number 4, before we get to the big one that's going to make a big difference here, is if you tend to perform better under less stress. So people who tend to perform good under high stress tend to be better day traders because there's going to be more stress, of course, in day trading. You got to be there, place trades quickly. You cannot waste time. You got to be in and out. You got to do your decisions quickly. There's a lot more stress to it. So you need to be able to perform well under stress. Now, if you're someone like I am between both, but if you're someone like me who tend to perform better when there's not too much stress, maybe a decent level of stress, you got to be there, look at the market on time, but you don't really kind of perform too well when it's high stress. Then you will be better with swing trading. Swing trading has less stress. You can take your time to make decisions. It doesn't matter if you wait 5 or 10 minutes to make a decision. You still have time. The market won't move that much on your daily chart or your forward chart for you to make that right decision. So you're able to trade under a lot less stress, and that tends to appeal to some people who are less good at making decisions under high level of stress. Okay, now the 5th sign is the one that will make a big difference, and that is the disc profile. Now, I've taught this to many students in the past. They had really good results with it. They're always able to find the right trading style for them. And this is based on metrics and fact and actual numbers. I personally learned this myself from Mandy Prasanjani, who is a trading psychology coach. I'll leave a playlist link above here for more videos from her. She's a really good coach for psychology and trading. She's also a trader herself, and she's really good at teaching that stuff for traders. Now, what a disc profile is just a score. You get score for 4 different categories, DISC. Now here I won't go through the details of that test because it doesn't really matter for most people. And whenever you take the DISC test, you'll be able to read the results and know what it means and everything around. But if you have a high D and high I score combined, so both scores are high, you will be a good day trader. So just do the test on your own time. Go online, there's free profiles out there. Look at what kind of score you are. I know that with Tony Robbins, you can actually buy the scoring, which costs about $20 or $25, which is very useful. But if you have a look at your score, if you have a high D and high I score, both combined, you make a good day trader. If you have a low D and low I score combined, you make a much better swing trader. If you're somewhere in between, you can do multiple time frame, or you can kind of adapt to one or both. So if you have, let's say, a low D and high I, then you can sort of be multiple time frame, or you can do a bit of both. If you are, same principle, you are high D, low I, you might be more tempted toward day trading, but you can still do both or multiple time frames, same principle. So these are the two letters we look at for the trading style. Now I've seen people many times who were day trading and they find this profile, they're better swing traders, they change to swing trading, and they instantly start to perform better. Their mindset changes because they're more now in line with their personality, and the results become much better. Same thing with people who are swing traders because of their job. They find out with their profile they will be better day traders, then they shift and they get much better results from this change. They're able to now take trades faster, they feel better, they don't have as much stress, because doing something against your personality makes it a lot more stressful. If you day trade while you should be swing trading, your stress will be high. If you swing trade while you should be day trading, your stress will also be high because you're not doing things according to your personality. If you're, let's say, holding trades too long, where you want to close them faster, you tend to overtrade because you need to place more trades when you day trade, or you tend to simply micromanage your trades because you don't let your trades run, and that's a big issue. So I'll leave below a link for this profile if you want to check it out. This is a free test. I strongly recommend you upgrade to the scoring with this website below, which is Tony Robbins. I'm not affiliated with them in any kind of way. I'm not going to get any money if you sign up for them or not. I'm just doing this because I care about you and your results. And this will help you figure out what kind of style you're best at. So do that below, check it out. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment below the video. I'll reply to as many comments as I can. And I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.